Now guys, good morning and welcome to Kathmandu. Actually, this is our house, well, our apartment really of a house, and well, I figured I want to show you without, it's like a total mess. We arrived here yesterday, and I think you deserve to know what our apartment can look like within 24 hours. Well, by the way, this is the bathroom, which is small but good enough, fair enough. We're already doing our laundry here, and we have I will show you the kitchen. And we have a noodle head shower, and this is actually a solar shower. Yeah, wait a second. Solar shower, but it's the water is like lots of people can take long showers, no problem. It's very good. It's very advanced. Lots of these solar things are kind of like a scam, but not this. I like it. I like this house. I like these tiles. I mean, like it. Let's not overdo it, right? But I quite like it. It is a small apartment of a 3-story house, about 3 kilometers, and it feels like very different. It feels like almost like it's a village. It's like 3 kilometers from Thammel and from Durban Square, so it's like the dead center, but it does not feel like it. But anyway, I think my wife made. Well, it's now 11 o'clock, and my wife and I are having a breakfast, but now we're having a coffee. Did you make a coffee?
Yep.
Oh. You fed the kids, right?
They fed themselves.
They fed themselves. Oh yeah. They're making eggs. Well, now this towel is falling down.
I can leave a mess like that.
Good thing I'm wearing underwear. Yeah. So yeah, this is like the coffee's perfect. The perfect Nescafe. Yeah. So meanwhile, since my wife and I are eating very late, the kids make themselves. See, that's since yesterday the eggs that we used. Make themselves omelette or their boiled eggs. You see, there's soft boiled eggs like what my daughter had, and yeah, my wife are having nice some eggs now. See, we have even a a mirror in the kitchen. Perfect, right? Now see, this is actually quite good. Well, it's not. It could be a little brighter, but we have like the stove here. We got stuff. We got a. All kinds of things that we need, like plates, cutlery, lots of pans actually. So there's 2 frying pans. There's there's a whole bunch of others. There's woks, more frying pans, and the kettle here. All kinds of things. We mostly eat breakfast. Will be very late, but the kids will have bread or paratha or lots of eggs and real butter and some jam, which is not the best, but you have the sugar and jam, but you can add. And there's a rice cooker. We have a rice cooker here, which is a good thing. I'm very happy about this. Well, and we have some sugar there, and see, there's some parathas that I bought yesterday and some brown breads. And let me show you around. And we're having food. Yeah, this is like the living room here, which is also like a mess. See, and I'm editing the video, yesterday's video. Don't blame me. Terrible bus journey, which actually was like the best day and the worst day in all made in one. Blame you for what? Yeah. It's actually the TV was the guy's fixing it. It broke the remote, so I'll bring one by later on. It has a TV, an HD TV. They even need an extra bed here. Wait, dude, yes, what? Why do you have a these are the reading glasses. Yeah. By the way, this Bhaktapur, I don't know. That must be in Kathmandu somewhere, and this is probably the Mount Everest. See, I don't think we'll climb that one, or will we?
Maybe not this time.
Maybe we will.
It's a bit too small for
No, he'll be all right.
Next year.
Yeah, there's one of the bedrooms here, also a mess. See, we just got here. We made part of the. Yeah. Wait, I just went into the kitchen, and there's also dirty laundry, different books and Playmobiles and. But anyways, it's an okay room. Also has some Mount Everest art. I suppose that's what it is. I'm not sure. We have a cupboard. Well, it's empty. See, we have not this afternoon. Well, this will look different, but I thought you deserve to have a realistic first day look, which is all mess. Also here, this is the second bedroom. There's one bed, and this is actually only a mattress that stood here on the wall, but the kids pulled it down, and to play. And I don't know if this is like a what is this thing? I don't know why this is up there, or if this is like a baby bed. Vincent, do you want to sleep in that tonight? No?
His name is not Vincent. His name is Ian.
Okay, Ian.
Your name is Vincent.
I see. Anyway, you see a nice mirror, nice cupboard. It's all nice. It's nicely painted, and well, see, we just spent the night, and you can open the curtains now and let the sun in, let the light in. Right? All right, let's go. Well, there's also well, let's go outside quickly. Well, you could go outside through the balcony, and no, through the kitchen door, or well, here. Let's go out here. Let's put this down. Oops, this is always a bit hard because, well, always, I don't know, I just got here yesterday. And then we have a patio here. See, and this is where the hosts live, and their mother. Oh, I'm not sure if that's the wife's mother or the father's mother. Not sure. See, this is probably Krishna. These are snakes here. There's actually quite a cool door here. I just noticed that now. See, because yesterday we hardly got any sleep, and yeah, we were quite cranky. And now we slept all through the night. That's quite nice. See, it's a quite neighborhood here. There's no honking. Well, there's not so much honking anyway. I mean, this is very different from India. It's quite a nice house, huh? Don't you agree? Nice flowers. And they have some bicycles here, whatever.
I found this.
You did? That's your sock.
I found this that you call a baby bed.
In that
the thing that you call a baby bed.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
It's a beautiful sock.
It is a beautiful sock, right? It's a scooter.
Too bad.
I've met two of the sons actually.
It's only one.
Yes, too bad. See, by the way, see a nice flower. See this? I quite like it here. See also this tree here, which I'm not sure if this is a pine tree. It looks a bit different. It's like some kind of exotic pine tree. I see. This is pretty cool. Wow. Well, the windows could be cleaned. It's okay. I don't like it here. I see, it's absolutely still. I mean, there's like the main road is maybe 100 meters that way, and then there's the Ramakrishna temple there. I don't know. What I like is that there's so much greenery and some plants, flowers outside, trees, gardenias. This is like a little court thing. Oh yeah, there's a kid bike. Some more flowers. Well, this you go into the kitchen. See, this is the kitchen. Yeah, that's where we hang out. No, we don't hang out. We could hang out. That could be like the smoking area if we did smoke. Well, he only occasionally smokes. But I see that's quite nice. It's funny. I don't see anybody. It's like 11 o'clock, right? Time for breakfast. I slept until 6, so went to bed at 10, so that was not so bad. So I feel quite rejuvenated. Anyway, so I could go up and, well, maybe I put on a t-shirt because they have a rooftop terrace. Let's put on a t-shirt so you know. Not look indecent. Told me yesterday I could go up and check out the rooftop terrace. Not sure if they're here now. I'll just go up and see. I see that's one of the apartments. Oh, this is nice here. Oh wow, it's quite cool. See, that's the tree. That's a. Oh, okay. Let's go up here. Oh, well. I feel like an intruder, but the guy said I could be. I could go up. I mean, this is like a place which we can also use, but of course won't be up here so much with the kids, although they have to show them. I see that's the solar panels in Malaysia. Okay, so these produce quite an amount of hot water. Oh, the wind. Oh, this is a beautiful area. See, and this is like, I'm not sure if this is the center at the post, but you see this, we're like at the outskirts. This is like the ring road is right, not far. So there's the outer ring road. I'm not sure if it has two ring roads. I don't understand Kathmandu yet. But, and check out that temple there. Huh. Wow. I mean, dude, we can go out and hike in the woods like in no time. I'm quite happy we came here. Huh? Oh, this is a beautiful house. This is a very nice area. Yeah, if you live here, probably not, you know, not the poorest of the poorest, right? I mean, I still have no idea how I should think about, or where to put Nepal. Yeah. And these are nice cacti here. Oh, they're like dolphins almost. See, they have them the same ones there. Oh, let's look up there. Ah, there's the water tanks. Oh yeah. Oh wow, guys. This is quite cool. Yeah, I'll have to bring my kids up to show them. Yeah, these guys, this is an Airbnb, right? They have a travel company in Thammel. They also have a hotel in Thammel. I'll figure it out now. I put it down in the link. I think they're doing quite good. I'm surprised at how close we are to the, you know, at the absolute outskirts, to the woods that surround Kathmandu. See, I could not even say anything what direction let's say the Mount Everest is or anything like that, but this is very beautiful. Anyway, guys, nice winding, and it will not be good for the video. Oops, let's not fall down. Oopsala. Oopsala. Yeah, I'm liking this. You see, I'm always happy. Like certain Airbnbs we find, you know, there are good ones, there are not so good ones. There are bad ones. Well, we usually don't have bad ones because I do quite some research on them. You know, it's always like important. Internet, beds, rooms, you know, what's all inclusive, and you know, I mean, you don't need an AC here. But they gave us some fans, which is they're not like installed. Usually, people in Kathmandu they don't have fans, just like that. You know, it's like on 1,400 meters above sea level, so it's not that hot. Although I feel much better if I have a fan around. But anyway, let's go down. There's the women in there, but I didn't want to disturb them, me by intruding their home. But it's very beautiful. Yeah, you'll be satisfied here. I mean, the Airbnb also has good reviews in there. I mean, no, and don't forget, this is like $17 for a night. So it's not, I mean, there are cheaper ones, but it's quite cheap for what you get, right? And you get this door. Anyway, so let's try to have some breakfast. My wife is making rolls. Eggs and rolls. Paratha rolls. Very good. So this is our first meal of the day, my wife and I, 11 o'clock. And yeah, so usually we have four or five eggs. We have some cucumbers, some tomatoes, some onions. Luckily on the subcontinent, they have the best onions in the world. Oh, I love those. When I have, we have these paratha rolls with 2 eggs each, so we have 2 of those. And that is our first meal of the day. But don't you worry, I will be making food videos too. So normally we cook ourselves, but if we don't, we eat outside, you know, like, and also to show you guys. And I'm gonna finish this video here now, and I'm gonna eat this. And yeah, well, you say bye bye.
Right?
Bye guys. Bye guys. I wanted to mention, usually I make parathas or roti or whatever myself, and not using any seed oils. Even if we fry eggs, we do not use any seed oils. We all use butter or ghee, or coconut oil if we're somewhere where they have it. Of course, these are store-bought parathas. They will contain seed oils, but you know it's not going to kill you if you don't eat
Not
it.
immediately.
Huh? Well, not immediately. Yes, that's what my wife said. Yeah, but you know, so it's these seed oils are the worst thing in the world. Are these seed oils or anything that is processed or ultra processed, because they stick them up with these seed oils plus with other chemicals. So I don't know about these parathas, but you know that's like the exception. I do like making them myself anyway. Gives me a good and we don't. The kids don't eat those. They eat the ones I make myself. Or of course we'll also eat all kinds of foods outside. And it's not all proper. It's not all super healthy, but it doesn't have to be. If you have a certain way of life, if you're used to eating lots of proteins and eating healthy and eating whole foods, that's how we tick. And yeah, I don't know. I'm not preaching to you guys. You can do whatever you want, right? And well, anyway, so I wanted to mention that. Bye bye.